Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making a circle dress. So this is going to be a half circle dress. So we're going to be using this African print fabric today, and this is what it looks like on the right side, and this is what it looks like on the wrong side. So what I've done is I have folded into two equal halves. So the width of this fabric is 45, so I've done it twice like so, and have then made it into a triangle, as you can see here. So that is the length of, so we're using the whole length of this fabric to make this style, to make this dress. And the measurements we're going to be taking on here, first off, the bust point. So my bust circumference is 44 inches. So it's going to be 44 inches divided by 4 plus 1 inch. So 44 divided by 4 is 11 plus 1 is 12. So I'm going to put my measuring tape on here and find 12 inches. So it's here. I'm just going to draw a straight line across. So from this bust line, as you can see here, I've got this opening, and this is where the armhole would be. I've got this place, this is where the middle front and the middle back is going to be. So from this bust line, I am going to go up 4 inches. So you know when you're doing like an off-shoulder dress, it's usually 5 inches from the shoulder to where the dress or top is going to start from. So 5 inches, but for this one, because we're going from the bust point up to where it's going to where the shoulder line is going to be, we're going up 4 inches. Sometimes, depending on your size, it can go up 5 inches or 4 inches, but for this tutorial, I'm going to be going up 4 inches, and then I will draw a straight line across. So on this line, to get the neck width, we're going to be using our shoulder measurement. So shoulder measurement is 16 divided by 4. Obviously it's 4. So I'm going to put in that way and mark 4 inches. And on this same line, we're going to be getting our neck depth. So neck depth for this that I'm going to be using. So neck depth depends on how deep you want the dress to be. And I want it to go down 2 inches. So I'm just going to put my measuring tape on there. And then I'm just going to mark down 2 inches, which is like so. So I'm going to connect this to the shoulder measurement here using a curve. Do it like so. And then from this shoulder measurement, I'm going to go all the way to where this bust point is, and it's going to be a curve because this is going to be the armhole. So you can use a curve ruler. So I currently do not have a curve ruler, so I'm just going to use my hand to draw it, and it's going to go like so. Okay. So that's what it looks like, and I'm going to just start. Before I cut this out, I'm going to also get the length. So using this line as the measuring line, I am going to check how long the fabric is from here to the end of the material. So this is, so mine is 33, so I'm going to go all the way around the 33 inches. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut out this line. Okay, so that's all cut out now, and I will open it up so you can see it's taking a nice shape. So that's the neckline, and that's the armhole. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open this side. Next thing I'm going to do now is two things you can do is one, you can just fold and hem this ever so nicely with 1/4 inch sewing allowance on the armhole. Do the same on all 4 sides, obviously folding it in the wrong side. Then you can also hem the neckline, or you can use a bias to hem the neckline. So cut a piece of fabric and then sew it. I've done a different video where I showed you how to do that, so I'm not going to go into detail on this video, but I will use a bias to hem the neckline and also to hem the armhole, and then I'll come and show you what I have done. So I finished hemming the neck and also the armhole as well. So that's what it looks like, and that is the armhole, and that is the neckline. And then the other thing is I have added pockets to the dress because, hello, what is making a dress without a pocket in it? So I've added pockets to it. I've just noticed this wasn't like properly finished, so I need to go finish that off. I've done it on all 4 sides. So what I will do is I would take this to my sewing machine and I would sew the edges like all the way round the pockets up until the end of the dress, and I'll do that on both sides. Right, okay guys, so this is the end result of the dress. So that's what the front and the back, whichever one, looks like. So that's the hand. So I've just attached it like so, and see how neatly, nicely finished it is. So on the 2 arms, I've also done the sides. So it's all just nicely finished. The only thing I need to do is I need to overlock the edges, so it looks nicely finished. But then I have also hemmed it. So that's what it looks like. And then if I turn it to the right side, I did mention that there's pockets on the dress, as you can see. So if I turn it to the right side, this is our umbrella half circle dress. The other thing I've done is I have made a belt for it. So I've just cut the fabric 45 into 2, and then this is 5 inches wide. So I just need to iron it. I just need to overlock it. And the next video I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be showing different ways that we can style this dress. I'm going to also be showing it with the belt on as well. And yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed the content of this video, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and turn on the bell notification so when I post any upcoming videos, you get notified. And I would see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.